we're talking about the five senses, and I'm going to read the book, My Five Senses by Margaret Miller. This is our front cover of the book. Here's the spine and the back cover. Okay. I have two eyes, a nose, a mouth, two ears, and two hands. With my eyes, I see myself and my shadow. She's looking in the mirror to see herself and her shadow. My dog and my city. Looking at her dog with her eyes. And she's sitting by the water looking at the city. With my nose, I smell popcorn. I like popcorn. A horse. You think a horse smells good? Do you think a horse smells bad? What do you think? Flowers and garbage. Some flowers smell really good to me. And some flowers don't really smell very good, but garbage never smells good. It smells yucky. With my mouth, I taste watermelon. The ocean. Watermelon's sweet, and the ocean is very salty. Very salty. Medicine and ice cream. Do we like medicine? Doesn't look like she likes it, does it? Ice cream. With my ears, I hear my baby brother. A fire engine. My brother's crying. See the fire engine? Where do you think that fire engine's going? Do you think it's leaving? Do you think it's coming back? What do you think? My piano and whispered secrets. With my hands, I feel finger paints. Sand. Playing in the sandbox. You like the way sand feels? Water and a rabbit. He's playing in the bathtub. You see the rabbit? Rabbit's very soft. With our five senses, we enjoy the world. So the end. So remember, we use our 1, 2 eyes for our sense of sight, our 1, 2 ears for our sense of hearing, our tongue and mouth for our sense of taste, our 1 nose for our sense of smell, and our hands, 1, 2, for our sense of touch.